Myth number 1. You need to lift heavy to build muscle. Spoiler, that's BS. Today I'm exposing 5 muscle-building lies that are wasting your time and replacing them with science-backed truths that'll actually get you jacked. No gym, no ego, no problem. Let's fix your gains. Myth 1. Heavy weights are the only way to build muscle. Truth: muscle grows from time under tension, not just weight. Heavy lifts can work, but so can this: tempo push-ups. Slow eccentrics or lowering phases create micro-tears in muscle fibers, triggering growth. A 2021 study found tempo training builds muscle 17% faster than rushing reps. How to do it? Get in a plank, lower for 3 seconds, pause at the bottom, explode up. Feel that shake? That's your chest screaming, thank you. Mistakes: don't sag your hips or flare elbows. Keep your core tight, like you're bracing for a punch. Modifications: beginner, do knee push-ups. Advanced, add a 5-second hold at the bottom. Myth 2. You need protein shakes 24/7 to grow. Truth: protein timing beats chugging shakes like a frat bro. Your body can only use 20 to 30 grams per meal. Instead, focus on this: body weights. Squats spike testosterone and growth hormone, key for muscle synthesis. Plus they torch fat. Win-win. How to do it? Feet shoulder width, chest up. Lower like you're sitting in a chair. Drive through your heels, pretend the floor's lava. Mistakes: knees caving in. Imagine screwing your feet into the ground. Modifications: too easy? Try single leg squats. Too hard? Use a chair for support. Myth 3. Cardio kills gains. Truth: explosive cardio, like burpees, builds muscle and endurance. A 2020 study found high height increases growth hormone by 450%. Let's melt fat and grow legs. Burpees: why it works. Burpees combine a push-up, squat and jump, hitting every muscle. They're like a Swiss Army knife for gains. How to do it? Drop, kick back, push-up, jump. No half reps. Explode like you're escaping zombies. Mistakes: landing like a sack of potatoes. Absorb the impact with your legs. Modifications: beginner, step back instead of jumping. Advanced, add a tuck jump. Myth 4. Supplements are mandatory. Truth: 90% of supplements are scams. Save your cash. This $0 move works your core, back and arms. Plank rows with a towel. Why it works. Rows build lats and biceps. Planks torch your core. Combined, a shredded upper body. How to do it? Get in a plank with a towel under each hand. Pull one elbow back, squeezing your shoulder blade. No wobbling, be a statue. Mistakes: hips twisting. Imagine balancing a glass of water on your back. Modifications: too hard? Do it on your knees. Too easy? Add a pause at the top. Myth 5. Overtraining equals faster results. Truth: rest builds muscle. Overtraining breaks you down. Finish with this spine-saving gem: dead bugs. Why it works. Dead bugs strengthen your deep core, protecting your spine during heavy lifts. No core, no gains. How to do it? Lie on your back, arms and legs up. Lower opposite arm and leg slowly. Keep your lower back glued to the floor. Mistakes: arching your back. Exhale hard to engage your abs. Modifications: beginner, bend your knees. Advanced, add ankle weights. Add ankle. Full workout plan. Do this 15-minute routine 3 times a week. 1. Tempo push-ups, 3 sets of 10. 2. Bodyweight squats, 3 sets of 15. 3. Burpees, 3 sets of 8. 4. Plank rows, 3 sets of 12. 5. Dead bugs, 3 sets of 10 per side. Rest 30 seconds between sets. No equipment, no excuses. Smash that like button if you're done with fake fitness advice. Comment your number 1 muscle myth. I'll debunk it in the next video. Want the full no BS home workout? Click here. Now go flex on those myths.